And that way you can learn on the go without putting any of your own money at risk. Let's get ready to rumble. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Today we're going to be talking a lot about the trading platforms, how to really actually take actionable steps to get started trading. Today we're going to be talking about the brokers that you can use, as well as the charting platforms and where to trade, where to look at these charts that you always see online. So this section is titled Applications for Trading. The different trading platforms are listed, and the top two that most people know about, which are very user-friendly, are going to be Webull and Robinhood. And then you have others like
Fidelity, which you've probably heard of, Moomoo, TradeStation, Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, eToro, Interactive Brokers, Cobra Trading.
And the list goes on and on. Again, the most common trading platforms that most people know about, because they do a great job of advertising, are going to be Robinhood and Webull. And Webull is a great platform because it has paper trading available. And what that basically means is that you're able to trade with fake money. And that way you can learn on the go without putting any of your own money at risk. Charting platforms. So what are some charting platforms? These are places where you can actually see a actual chart. So your bar charts and then your line charts. So things that show the movement or depict the actual visuals of price action. The different charting platforms are listed. The most popular here are going to be TradingView and TradeStation. And then Webull allows you to visualize charts as well as Robinhood. Not as good as TradingView and TradeStation. Personally, I like to use TradingView because they have a lot of users and great user interface, and they also have the ability so that you can code your own indicators, which we will learn about in a little bit. So brokerages, again, what is a brokerage? So a brokerage is a trading platform. So places where you actually put on a trade. So in order to sign up onto like Robinhood and things like this, you'll need to be at least 18 years or older, and they'll ask you for information like your social security number, your age, date of birth, name, years, experience in investing, and then if you're related to someone in a company, things like that. And then you'll need to make a deposit, not on Webull, because again, on Webull and some of these other platforms, you can just paper trade. You can just treat it like a video game and not really risk any of your own money. There's two different account types that they're going to ask you whether you want to use, and that's going to be a margin account or a cash account. And we'll get into that in a little bit. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance,